Epsom salt is a type of pure mineral that comes from a compound consisting of sulfate and magnesium. Epsom salt comes with a variety of health benefits, household, and beauty uses. What many people don't realize is that Epsom salt also has several uses in organic gardening for healthy plants. Number 1. Get beautiful roses. Epsom salt helps roses to produce larger blossoms in greater numbers and also aids in the growth of new canes from the base of the plant. And of course, Epsom salt increases chlorophyll production, meaning darker leaves. For maximum benefit, roses should at the least be fed with Epsom salt at the time of planting, then again at the first sign of new growth, and once more when the flowers are in full bloom. Bare root roses may also be soaked in water containing dissolved Epsom salt before planting. Number 2. Say goodbye to slugs. Salt of any kind, including the Epsom variety, is great for your deterring slugs. If you're already using salt in the garden to help improve the soil, this should help deter slugs as well. If not, consider sprinkling some salt around to keep the slugs away. Sprinkle Epsom salt in or around gardens and other areas you don't want slugs invading to keep them away. Number 3. Prevent yellowing leaves. The leaves of plants and trees turn yellow due to magnesium deficiency, as it is an essential component in the production of chlorophyll. To counter this, add a tablespoon of Epsom salt around the base of your plant per 12 inches of its height, once a month until it starts to look green again. Number 4. Care for potted plants. Potted plants become magnesium deficient more quickly than plants grown on the ground. Therefore, add 2 tablespoons of Epsom salt to 1 gallon of water and feed this solution once a month to your container plants. Water until it starts to flow out from the bottom of the pot. Number 5. Prevent leaf curling. Sometimes, due to magnesium deficiency, leaves may curl inward or upward. In such case, application of Epsom salt around the base of the plant helps a lot. Alternatively, for quick absorption, you can also mix 2 tablespoons of Epsom salt in a gallon of water and spray directly on the foliage. Number 6. Get better fruits. Producing fruit is a long process for a tree. Magnesium levels often drop during this long season, where applications of Epsom salt can be of great benefit. Stronger plant growth, improved photosynthesis, fruit can taste better, look more attractive, be more nutritious, and more weather and disease resistant. Apply 2 tablespoons per 9 square feet over the root zone 3 times per year. Number 7. Increase the production of peppers. Give a boost to your pepper plants by adding 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt every week, especially at the time of flowering and fruiting, to increase the production of peppers. Number 8. Make your grass greener. Epsom salt, which adds needed magnesium and iron to your soil, may be the answer to your green lawn. Add 2 tablespoons to 1 gallon of water. Spread on your lawn with a garden sprayer and make sure it soaks into the grass.